you from the Philippines? No.
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay, what's your name? I will video you. Okay, this is a YouTube.
YouTube?
And what's your name again? From
Ago, I'm from Indonesia.
what part in Indonesia?
It's Java. The middle of Java, right?
Are you gonna say something to your family back home?
Yeah, I really miss my son.
Wow.
My daughter. More than wife, of course. I
Only one son.
one son.
Eh, once you get home, you will make more, huh?
Of course, I will.
But this guy, that's good. Yeah, you need to multiply.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Eddie. My wife is Helen from the Philippines. Yeah, I started YouTube since I started doing my course. I have 2,000 videos.
Oh, really?
Wow, 2,000 videos.
Give me the channel.
The channel, yeah. My channel is DJ Beck.
DJ Red.
Yeah, DJ Beck. Yeah, DJ Beck. That's it. And you will see my face over there.
Alright.
Yeah, 2,000. Hey, welcome again. Yeah, check it out. Okay, bye-bye. Your name again is
Ago.
Agu.
Yes.
Rahul. Raharjo. Okay, well, thank you very much. What time do we play? You don't know?
I think just finished now.
Just finished?
Yeah, just finished. Just
a break.
like 15 or 20 minutes.
Wow. Okay, no, good, thank you. May break daw sila eh. Gusto mo makit me?
Ganun sa ano?
Tapos?
Gusto mo po dyan.
Ha?
Kahit naman hindi magliligo, pwede mo
Saan gusto mo upo? Ito, yan.
Yan malamig yan eh.
Oh,
Gusto may araw.
sa meron. Ang harap tayong upuan. Halika, saan tayo upo? Sa taas din, maganda rin na eh. Habang nakakakit ako, hindi ka ba mabubusuhan dyan sa damit mo? We're gonna go up. Kasi 12 na ito me. Yan oh, see? Going to Spinnaker. Yeah, it's going to Spinnaker. Wow. We're now in Norwegian sun. Wow. Yan, Spinnaker na yan, ah. Spinnaker. We are the 12th deck right now. We're going to viewing deck. Okay. Entrance. Hello, good afternoon. Sipag. Konti ng tao.
Wala ko na lang sa taas ng ano.
Ano? Sa... Wala ng tao na yun. Saan tayo? There, off na. There, mami. There. Yes. Mainit. Mainit.
Hindi oh. Ako nandito.
Okay, sit. We're now inside the viewing deck, 12 deck of the Norwegian sun. They call it Spinnaker.